What I liked very much about the MBA modules is that I could use the theories, the concepts within my daily work. And I was really looking forward to such kind of a work, because for me also it was important that the business school or the faculty is offering this possibility. So it's not just theoretical and I'm learning something and it's like reading a book and I cannot start anything really with it. It was you learn something, you get a concept, and then I had the possibility to immediately try to see how will it work in a real life scenario, how can I implement it in my daily job. And yeah, it worked well. The concepts that I implemented, or let's say the theories that I could also double check in with the reality where I was working in. So this was really something, a great experience for me.